Hello, and welcome to the muscle relaxation exercise. When the amygdala gets activated, the sympathetic nervous system, which is the stress response, produces an increase in muscle tension. We can counter this tension by implementing a muscle relaxation technique to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is your rest and digest system, instead. Lots of people with stress and amygdala activation experience a lot of tightness within the body and do not know why. Such common areas that tighten up the most are the jaw, neck, shoulders, lower back, hands, chest, toes, and stomach. Now, it is time to be mindful of the tension you hold within your body. In a safe and quiet area, lay down and close your eyes. Notice the certain areas of your body that are tense. Let's start with the toes. Breathe in through your nose, and as you breathe in, curl your toes tight. Do not overdo it, and hold for 3 seconds. Now, exhale through the mouth as you unclench your toes. Let's do this again. In through the nose, clench, hold, and exhale through the mouth as you unclench. Inhale, clench, hold, exhale, and unclench. Now, let's move up to the thighs. Breathe in through the nose. Tighten your thighs. Hold. And now exhale and relax. Inhale. Tighten. Hold. Exhale and relax. Inhale. Tighten. Hold. Exhale and relax. Now, let's move up to the stomach, another common area people hold tension. Breathe in through the nose. Clench your stomach abs. Hold. And exhale and relax. Breathe in. Clench. Hold. Exhale and relax. Breathe in. Clench your stomach muscles. Hold. Now exhale and relax. You can feel now the muscles that we have already worked with nice and relaxed. Now, let's move up to the shoulders. As you inhale, tighten your shoulder muscles by shrugging, lifting them up to try and touch your ears. Now hold. Exhale and relax. Inhale. Tighten your shoulders. Hold. Exhale and relax. Inhale. Tighten your shoulder muscles. Hold. Now exhale and relax. Let's now move up to the jaw. As you inhale, open your mouth wide. Hold. Exhale and relax. Inhale. Open your mouth. Hold. Exhale and relax. Inhale. Open your mouth wide. Hold. Now exhale and relax. Inhale. Hold. Exhale and relax. Now, let's relax the face muscles. As you inhale, tighten your face muscles. Hold. Now exhale and relax. Inhale. Tighten your face muscles. Hold it. Now exhale and relax. Inhale. Tighten your muscles. Hold it. Now exhale and relax. Now, take a moment and lie peacefully. I know you can feel your body totally relaxed. Can you feel yourself sinking into the ground? Anytime during the day, feel free to tense the certain muscles that feel tight. Some people find that they have a lot of tension in their hands, while others continue to grind their teeth. Just be mindful of the tension within your body and apply muscle relaxation techniques to those areas so you can reduce the consistent unease. This muscle relaxation technique activates your rest and digest system and reduces any amygdala activation. Now, as you lie here, feel free to fall asleep or get up and go about your day. Enjoy this feeling of being totally relaxed. Namaste.